Hi, I am making another video. This is Jessica. I'm making another video. This is something we got in the mail today. It's called Nature Box. It's just a trial. And I think it was... Oh, it's free. I'm sorry, it's free. It's just a trial right now. So, I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it right here with you guys. Ready? Here we go. Food should be fun, nourishing, vibrant, and most of all, delicious. And let's see what this is. Nature Box Dark Cocoa Num Nums. Mini Cocoa Oat Cookies. Those seem like those are going to be good. And it says nutritionist approved. So those should be good. And then, of course, you have the card. It says Nature Box, hello and welcome to the Nature Box family. We hope you're ready for some serious snack happiness and it tastes better. Here at Nature Box, we believe food should be fun, wholesome, vibrant, and most of all, delicious. That's why we craft only the tasty and wholesome and the wow. And then we ship it right to your door. And what's it say on the box? Does it tell you about your snack pantry, ready to customize your first deluxe box and 5 full-size snacks? Oh, so you can customize your first box that you get with snacks. And they have sriracha roasted cashews. That sounds really good. Carrot strawberry fruit chews. It's interesting. And whole wheat raspberry fig bars. I like fig bars. What do you think? Take our 2-minute survey. And then, of course, you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And then, of course, over here we have Nature Box Coconut Cashews. Those are going to be good, just because I love coconut and cashews. And then, of course, the back, you have the nutrition facts and their mission. And then the little Facebook, Twitter thing over here, too. And non-GMO. And then we have cinnamon swirl kettle kernels. Cinnamon roasted corn kernels. Kernels. That's how that looks. And then the back, of course. And that's non-GMO as well. I assume they're all non-GMO. It sounds good though. And then garden tomato crunchies. Tomato flavored almonds. That seems interesting too. Yes. Yes, and everything is non-GMO. Which I assume is a good thing. Look what this has in it. Tomato powder, chili powder, onion. Wow, that's a lot of good stuff. And then this next one is sea salt, sun crunch, sunflower, and sesame seeded crackers. That sounds interesting as well. Of course, back here you can see the ingredients. Whole wheat flour, sunflower oil. This sounds like it has good stuff too. And of course, this is just the little box that those things came in. Looks like a little, kind of drawer thing to keep everything up and everything. That's really nothing. But then the inside says, our promise to you, no high fructose corn syrup, no hydrogenated oils, no artificial anything, including colors, sweeteners, and flavors, no added sulfates, yes to high quality nutritious ingredients, yes to thoughtful sourcing, yes to the new, the delicious, and the wow. And that's all that's inside of there. And then naturebox.com if you'd like to get your own. So this is a pretty good deal for your first trial part of it. And it's the big